Magandang hapon po ng January 10, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 10, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, January 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 10, 2026 Saturday. Here are the two next jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, January 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Saturday, January 10, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.